Hi students, welcome back. I'm Mahalakshmi from English department. Today we are going to see one exercise based on adverbs. In our previous classes we have learnt about verbs and adverbs, isn't it? Verbs means action words. Doing words are called as verbs. Adverbs means words which gives more information about the verb. Adverbs modifies the verb. So, here you can see I had given some sentences for you. First, we are going to find out the verbs in the given sentences. Shall we? First one, we are going to the film tomorrow. We are going to the film tomorrow. Rajni is waiting outside. Rajni is waiting outside. Anu smiled happily. The lift was working yesterday. The children are playing upstairs. He rocked the cradle gently. Sarah will come later. Manu walks slowly. So these are the given sentences for you. Now we are going to find out the verb in these sentences. We are going to the film tomorrow. So what is the action given in the sentence? What we are going to do? We are going to the film tomorrow. So we will go, isn't it? So here in this given sentence, are is the helping verb, going is the main verb. So we can say are going is the verb in the given sentence. Okay. Rajni is waiting outside. What Rajni is doing? He is waiting. He is waiting outside. Is the helping verb and waiting is the main verb here. Anu smiled happily. What Anu is doing? She is smiling. So smiled is the action done by Anu. It is a verb here. Okay. The lift was working yesterday. The lift was working. Was working is the verb in the given sentence. The lift was working. Okay. The children are playing upstairs. What the children are doing? They are playing. We know very well that is, am, or, was, were are called as be verbs. So here or is the helping verb, playing is the main verb. He rocked the cradle gently. What he did? He rocked the cradle. So rocked is the action done by a boy or a man. Sarah will come later. What Sarah will do? She will come. She will come. Okay. So will come is the verb here. Will is the helping verb. Come is the main verb here. Manu walks slowly. What Manu does? She walks. So these are the verbs in the given sentences. Now we are going to find out the adverbs. The word which modifies the verb in the given sentence we are going to find out. We are going to the film tomorrow. Already I explained you about the adverbs of manner, place and time, isn't it? Adverbs of manner gives answer for the question how. Adverbs of place gives answer for the question where. And adverbs of time gives answer for the question when. When the action will happen or when the action happened. Okay. So we are going to the film tomorrow. When are we going to the film? We are going to the film tomorrow. When? So we can get answer for the question when here. So this word tomorrow gives more information about the verb or going. It gives answer for the question when. Next one, Rajini is waiting outside. Where is Rajini waiting? Where he is waiting? He is waiting outside. So the word outside gives answer for the question where. So it is an adverb. It gives more information about the verb. Anu smiled happily. What Anu did? She smiled. How she smiled? She smiled happily. Okay. It describes the manner. It describes the manner. Okay, good. The lift was working yesterday. When was the lift working? When? Yesterday. The lift was working yesterday. It gives answer for the question when. When the action happened? Yesterday. Okay. So this is the adverbs of time. It refers the adverbs of time. The children are playing upstairs. Where are the children playing? They are playing upstairs. What are they doing? They are playing. Where they are playing? They are playing upstairs. Okay. So the word upstairs gives answer for the question where. He rocked the cradle gently. What he did? He rocked. Okay. How he rocked the cradle? He rocked the cradle gently. We can get the answer for the question how. Next one, Sarah will come later. When will Sarah come? Sarah, she will come later or after. Okay. So, later gives answer for the question when. Manu walks slowly. Manu is walking. Okay. How he is walking? He is walking slowly. So, slowly gives more information about the verb walks. How he walks? He walks slowly. So, you can see here, I had circled the verbs in blue color and I had circled the adverbs in green color. So, once again, I want to recall you that verbs are action words. Adverbs are the words that modifies the verb. We had seen in previous classes that adverbs of manner, adverbs of time and adverbs of place. Adverbs of manner describes how the action happens or how the action will happen. It gives answer for the question how. Adverbs of time gives answer for the question when the action happened or when the action will happen. Then adverbs of place, where the action happened or where the action will happen. It gives answer for the question where. Can you understand, cuties? I hope that you could understand this session and I'll meet you in another session with a new topic.